Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are talking about snooping, about privacy, one of the most popular ways that websites are asking for connections today is something that people really don't think much about, but there are implications to know. So, you go to a new website, or maybe a website you already go to. For example, my local newspaper website, which for a long time never required any login to continue reading the news, decided that, well, now it's still free, but I would like you to log in and create an account in order to see the news, or else you'll be limited to 2 or 3 articles per month. And the reason websites do this is they want to be sure and track down who is, reading the news or who is on our website. Now, I'll give you a little pointer here that is probably going to help some of you understand consequences of your actions. When you go more and more today, websites will say, oh, well, you can create a new account, or let's make it easy. Sign in with your Google account or your Facebook account or Twitter or any other account. And that is the easy way out, because you click there and it's almost instantaneous and you have pretty much nothing to do. You're connected, you're fine, you're okay. And you never think about it again. But what does it actually mean? Well, remember one thing. Facebook, for example, often has a lot of personal information on you. If you use Facebook to log in to your favorite website, not only does Facebook have information about the websites you go to and what you're doing, but the other way around exists. The website you logged in with Facebook now can see a lot of your Facebook personal information. So there's a trade-off. Yeah, it's easier, but your privacy can suffer from that. You might say, I don't really care, and I'm part of those people. I don't really care, but it does have implications that it might be a problem for you. That's why I would recommend, in most cases, even though it's longer, takes more time, if you go to a new website that requires a login, take the time to create a new account. Don't sign in with your Google or your Facebook or your Twitter or any accounts that exist for social media. Create a new account out of zero with an email, and that will limit the amount of information the website has. Now, the case where I will not log in with any of these is in websites that I don't know where exactly and what they are. So if I go to a new news website or a tech website and I've never been there before, I find it interesting, but I don't really know who they are, then I will actually log in by creating a new account and not give my personal information. Why? Because you don't know what they're doing with it. And you don't know up to what extent that information is, because when you look at all the information that is shared, they tell you, oh, well, we'll get information about you. Yeah, but what exactly? I would like to have a detailed look and list of what exactly you are sharing. So that is something to know. So my advice, personally, avoid signing in with these accounts, with any social accounts. And create new accounts when you go to a website that does require you to sign in with an account to view the content. And avoid using the fast way of doing it, which would be, you can sign in with Gmail or Facebook or whatever. That's the easy way out, but that shares a lot of personal information on you. It's very important to know that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.